All right, back again. Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut and burn a carpet seam in indoor-outdoor carpet. So check this out. We're going to start with cutting the first piece. Now, this basement has two shots to it, so I'm going to set up the first shot. And there are several ways to go about doing this, but we're going to do it by the books in this video. So I'm actually going to use a pen, and indoor-outdoor carpet is stitched in rows. So all I'm going to do is take this pen, and I'm going to run it in between one of these rows here. And we're going to create a line with it. There we go. So we're going to go all the way down, strike a line all the way through it. Next, I'm going to take my top cutter, the blade hanging out, roughly a quarter of an inch out, and I'm going to stick it right in the line I just created. And we are going to start to cut our first seam. So we're just going to run this down. Finish cutting the rest of the way down, and then next I'm going to lay out the second piece. We will cut that, and then we'll line them up to actually put the seam together. Take your knife, catch any spots that you may have missed. Boom. Alright, so like I said, we're going to finish cutting this. We're going to set that next piece, and line them up. Alrighty, well, it's time to burn the seam, but we have a slight situation with it, and it's kind of hard to tell from the camera here, but basically the middle section from here to about 10 feet down is lined up perfectly, but the sides actually run inward. So there are a couple different ways to put this together. Now, me personally, I like to start where it lines up perfectly. In this particular case, it's going to be the middle. So I'm actually going to start burning this seam from the middle out, let that dry, and then I'm going to burn it this way towards the camera here, and that'll give me the ability to push it out without warping my already burnt seam. Because if I started that in, I'm going to be beating it back and forth trying to get it lined up, and it's just going to make for an ugly seam. So in this case, I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to take my seam iron, drop it on the tape, and we are going to get down to burning it. Alrighty, so you can see we got the first half of it burnt, and right about here is where the other half starts, and then ends right there. So we're going to go ahead and jump on that now, get the rest of the seam melted, and wrap it up. Alrighty, so there you have it. That is how you burn a seam in indoor-outdoor carpet. Be sure to subscribe, comment below with any questions about the carpet and flooring industry, and stop by carpetexpertblueprint.com. We have the DIY Toolkit giveaway every single week. Jump on the list there, and you may be the next winner. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.